Is your screen flickering or tearing while playing games? Here is a complete guide to help you deal with the screen flickering or tearing issue. Screen tearing occurs due to desynchronization between the video that is being sent to the system and the refresh rate of the screen. Before we move forward, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. Now, let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you can do is adjust the display settings. Open Settings, select System, then Display. Under Scale and Layout section, set scale to what is recommended and also set the display resolution to the recommended one. Next, scroll down to Advanced Display and select it. Now you will find an option called Choose a Refresh Rate. Select a different refresh rate and check if this fixes the issue. You can also go to Advanced Display Settings and click on Display Adapter Properties for display option. Then go to the Monitor tab and check the available screen refresh rate. The refresh rates that appear depend on your display. Then select the highest refresh rate there and click on OK. Method 2. The next thing you can do is update the graphics drivers. Right-click on the Windows Start menu, select Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics driver. Choose the Update Driver option. From the next window, click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Wait till the updating process is finished. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, you can use GeForce Experience to update the graphics drivers. If you don't have it installed, download and install it from NVIDIA's website first. Run GeForce Experience. After you open the app, click on Drivers and check if any new drivers are available. Download and install it. For AMD graphics cards, the process is similar but uses the Radeon software instead of GeForce Experience. Run the app and check for any available drivers. Download and install the latest drivers. Restart your PC. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel and get quick solutions to all your tech issues. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and always remember that we are here to help you out.